Rhonda here. I have been all the things. I have been the couch surfer, the factory worker, the aviation professional, the midlife student, and now I am the late stage founder. And here's the thing that I know for certain that Black and Caribbean women carry a stress stack that very few people talk about. Whether it is finance, visibility, role overload, or scaling against the odds. And with that in mind, I'm launching a four-part series called Breaking Barriers, the stress tag for Black and Caribbean female founders and how we rise. Now, because I've lived all these people, I've lived all these lives, this is not fluff. This will not be 10 steps to whatever. This is data and live stories and Zoma strategies that are built just for you. Part one drops on the 6th, which will be the capital gap. You'll find it on my blog, on my LinkedIn newsletter, and an expanded version in my Substack. So subscribe and get it wherever it's available. Because as we say in the Caribbean, when you're dead, you're done. But until then, your dreams are waiting.